What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. What I'm going to do today is show you how to install a lower MannyMount on your Nissan Juke. This will work on the first and second generation, so 2011 to 2017. This is, like I said, the lower front wheel drive solid billet aluminum MannyMount. This is the powder coated version. I got a little fancy because you know, I'm slinging them and stuff, but what I'm going to show you is how easy it is to replace these on your car. Alright guys, in order to perform this install, it's super simple. We just need two ratchets, a 3/8 drive and a 1/2 inch drive for a 21 mil, an 18 mil, and a 16 mil on a deep and a shallow. I used a cheater bar as well. I believe it will be necessary for you. I got my Juke up right now. It's pretty simple. You got to jack it up first. I'm going to use really basic hand tools to show you just how simple this can be. Now, for the record, if you have an impact gun, that makes this a lot easier. However, since most of you do not, I am going to be showing you how to do it with just a ratchet. And if we look up here, that is your lower motor mount. Again, this is a front wheel drive version. However, the all-wheel drive version is going to be essentially the same. So first thing that we're going to do is pop, not that guy, this guy, because that's the 18. And voila. Alright, so next thing we're going to want to do is remove this guy. It is a 21 mil. I'm going to need to put a breaker bar on this because it is high torque. Again, if you have an impact gun, it makes your life a lot easier, but it can be done with hand tools. That is what I want to prove to you guys. Ain't nothing but a thing. Now we'll take that out. Now this thing is loose right now, but it still will not come out freely, so we're going to have to remove these guys and to make our job and our lives easy. Alright, so I got a different angle for you. I'm going to have to remove these guys in order to set this motor mount free. Right, a motor mount? That makes sense. So this is a 16 millimeter right here. Oh yeah, and I put on gloves because guess what? It's kind of dirty. I don't like getting dirty. We want this one right up here now. And I'm going to use my cheater bar because I'm feeling like a cheater. Alright, so now I got to get to this one back here. Same concept. A little bit tighter tolerances, but it'll work. Cool. Now that that's off, this whole assembly will drop down and this will come free. So you can see I have a solid mount, but not that solid. Alright, so this is a good comparison between the two. As you can see, this is a solid urethane filled one OEM mount that I had painted blue. And then this is my new replacement MannyMount, which is solid billet aluminum and powder coated blue. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is put this up in here and put this guy back in place. Up there. You see we got a lot more room this time around. What? Alright, there now. Alright, so I've got this finger tightened in. It's still loose. This is completely loose. And I can line that up and put that bolt through it. All nice and simple like. There it is. Alright. Again, that's loose. Now we can take this one and we can put this in place now as well. This one. So now that's pretty snug, and so now we're going to tighten these down real good. Okay. Now we're going to do this guy again. Alright, my feeling has always been if you got to use a breaker bar to remove it, you use a breaker bar to put it back on. And that's it. Woo! You have yourself a solid lower MannyMount installed. That thing's beastly. Game on, guys. Then all you gotta do is lower her down and then you should have yourself a new fancy car.